Now be careful with this. Still very hot. There we go. Hello, welcome back to Souffle Chef. Today, second part of my series on French region specialties. We are still in Bourgogne-Franche-Comté, and today we're going to make a soufflé au comté. So as usual, let's do this. So ingredients for this lovely soufflé. For the béchamel, we need some butter, flour, milk, nutmeg, salt, pepper, eggs for the soufflé, and the star of the show, comté cheese. Now, before you do anything, preheat your oven to 200 degrees, something like that. And in a dish, oven-proof dish, stick some water in it for a bain-marie. Secondly, I'm gonna butter and flour my ramekin for soufflé. So a little butter all around, don't be shy, and a little flour in it. Just go around. This one in the fridge. My mold, buttered and flour in the fridge while we make the soufflé. On the stove, in a pan, medium heat, we're gonna make our béchamel. Put the butter. Right, my butter is calling for the flour. Now we're gonna cook this one for 2-3 minutes. And we're gonna add our milk slowly. Little by little. Say bechamel nearly ready. Now goes black pepper. Reduce the heat. Generous pinch of salt. And a little nutmeg. Grated nutmeg. Lovely, bechamel ready. Okay, I'm gonna add my cheese to the bechamel slowly. See the cheese, as you can see. Okay, done. Now I'm gonna separate my egg. And I'm gonna whisk my egg. So my eggs are soft picked now. I'm gonna sear them by adding a little salt just to stiff them. Perfect. This is what we want. As the test. Yes, it did. Now I'm gonna add my egg yolk to my bechamel mix and cheese away from the fire. I'm gonna transfer this into another. There we go, nice and smooth. I'm going to take a little bit of egg whites just to whisk it, the mix. And now we're going to add the whole egg white into the mix. And now, delicately, we're going to fold the beaten egg white into the mix. Let's say, go and get the mix at the bottom and come back. There you go. I'm happy with that. Next, get your bain-marie out of the oven and your mold out of the fridge. Can go up to the top, to the lip. Go. Nice and fluffy. A little tap. Ready to go in the oven for approximately 25 to half an hour in the middle of the oven. Now, once we close the door, we cannot open it as the soufflé will fall drastically. Just keep an eye on it, 25 to half an hour. So after 25 to 30 minutes in the oven, I think it's time for them to come out. So beautiful. Now be careful with this, still very hot. There we go. Take one out. Do be careful because this is hot. Here we are. Now the idea with this is a table, because it's time to have a soufflé, and to go with that, what best than a little chablis, a nice Chardonnay. So bon appétit. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. That'll be ace, and see you soon on Souffle Chef. I love soufflé. Whoa, and a chablis to go with it. Excellent. If you enjoyed this video and want to check out my latest one, please click here. If you want to check all my videos, please click here. And if you don't want to miss any of my videos, please subscribe and click here. That'll be ace. See you soon on Souffle Chef.